Hi, I'm Erin Clarke from wellplated.com, and today we are making my skinny taco salad. It has all the flavors and ingredients that you gotta have in a classic taco, but is a light and healthy meal that even dudes approve of. Most taco salads are topped with chips, but to make this a little lighter, I actually bake my own tortilla strips in the oven. So I have here just 2 flour tortillas. If you needed this to be gluten-free, you can totally swap corn, or if you just like corn tortillas, go for it. I'm cutting them into thin strips just like this. And now I'm gonna put them on a baking sheet. To make sure that they don't stick, I'm going to lightly coat it with a little bit of olive oil baking spray. And I'm gonna drizzle them with a little bit of olive oil. And then to give them great flavor, a pinch of salt and a touch of black pepper too. Give it a toss so that you get the salt, pepper, and that golden olive oil on all sides of the tortilla strips. And then you want to take them and spread them into a single layer, because if they're too crowded, then they won't get nice and crispy. Now I'm gonna pop them into a 425-degree oven just until they're golden. It'll only take a few minutes. All right, my tortilla strips have come out of the oven and they are nice and golden and crisp. Now we're gonna move on to the next component, and that is that juicy taco meat. And I have a skillet that is heating over medium-high. Gonna drizzle in a bit of olive oil. And this is 1 pound of lean ground turkey breast. Now I know that beef is a little more traditional for tacos, but turkey really does have a lot of flavor, and it has a much lower fat content, and that's part of what makes this a lighter salad. To give it lots of flavor, we're going to add some of those signature taco spices. I've got chili powder, generous amount of cumin. It's one of my favorite spices. Is it cumin or cumin? I think you can pronounce it either way. And a bit of garlic powder. So now we just continue cooking and stirring so that all of the meat gets coated with those wonderful flavors and it browns all the way through. This smells amazing. The meat has finished cooking. I'm getting all of these different spices. I feel like I'm in a restaurant. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the heat. And then we are gonna move on to the rest of this salad, starting with the dressing. So this dressing is a combination of Greek yogurt, which makes it really rich and creamy, and then a 1/4 cup of whatever your favorite prepared salsa is. Couldn't be easier, just take the 2 and stir them together in a bowl. Okay, that is it. How easy was that? Now we are going to gather the rest of our toppings for the salad. So it's not a salad without lettuce. I am using romaine. And then I also have some fun ingredients that we're gonna sprinkle over the top, starting with some grated cheddar cheese. You can use pepper jack, Monterey Jack, whatever you like. My one request is that you grate it yourself right off the block like this. It has so much more flavor than that pre-shredded bag cheese. Next, I'm gonna chop some fresh cilantro. I love its vibrant color, and it really just lightens up the salad and makes every bite taste alive. And now we have one of my favorite ingredients, avocado. I just cannot make any kind of Tex-Mex dish and resist the urge to add avocado. Okay, now the time has come to put it all together. So right now I just have about half of the romaine in here, and I'm gonna start by layering in about half of the dressing. Give it a toss. Now I wanna add a little bit more romaine. And now all of the rest of our taco ingredients go on. It is kind of like a build your own taco bar, but it's all happening right inside this bowl. So I'm gonna grab our delicious sauteed turkey. Next we have our black beans. They make the salad really hearty and filling. We have a little bit of Mexican style corn. For some freshness, I have some cherry tomatoes. And now I'm gonna give it a toss just to kind of help things start coming together because the bowl's getting pretty full. And now we add the rest of our fresh ingredients on top. We've got that beautiful cilantro, cheese, obviously. I'm gonna scatter the diced avocado over the top. Now I'm gonna finish it off with a little bit more of our salsa yogurt dressing. And then for one final pop of color, a shower of green onion. Do you remember at the beginning when we baked those tortilla strips? It would be criminal not to put them on too. This just gives you that signature taco crunch. I'm gonna give it one final toss and then I'm going to dive in. Seriously, this is everything that you could ever want at your fiesta feast, put together in a light, bright, and healthy meal I know you'll enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Erin Clarke from wellplated.com, and I look forward to seeing you back here next time.